Let's talk about this. It's called the Kinetic killing case. It happened on a little boulevard out in Mesa called Kinetic Avenue. There's a mother of 7 who is gunned down on her neighbor's front porch. I know people all over town have been talking about it. You've been digging into it. What are some of the various factors that you find most interesting?
Yeah, this case is really interesting, and it could be a question on the bar exam for lawyers, let me tell you.
Really?
Yes. So people keep talking about how this is self-defense or not self-defense, or this is a castle doctrine or not a castle doctrine.
And the castle doctrine is you can defend yourself in your home.
Yes, and your car.
Threatened.
And your car.
And your car.
Arizona extended the castle doctrine to the car a few years ago. But after looking at the facts, it became pretty clear to me that self-defense is not even an issue in this case, because in order for self-defense to be a valid defense, you have to intentionally shoot somebody, like in this case. Your action has to be intentional to either save your life or save the life of others. At least it has to be reasonable in the circumstance. But here you have the defendant saying that it was an accident, and you can't accidentally do self-defense.
Can he change his mind?
Not anymore.
No, his self-defense.
No, his statements are set in stone. It's basically the 10 Commandments when it comes to this case. Because he's already made that statement, if he changed and said, I intentionally did it, he'd lose all credibility. The prosecutor would say, well, you're more likely to tell the truth at the time of the incident before you had time to actually think about how this is going to affect you. So that's why negligent homicide is being considered here, because self-defense does not apply. His case would be much better if he had said he meant to shoot her. If he said he intentionally shot her, this case would probably not be brought, because the self-defense statute is so strong in Arizona, the prosecutors likely would not have enough to charge him. But because self-defense no longer applies, it's very probable that negligent homicide is still on the books.
And walk us through, remind the viewers, too, who he is. Do you think his status might get the judge or jury to act differently in this case?
It could be. Now, jurors are told to be, to be blind.
Right, you're supposed to be blind.
Justice is blind. But, they're humans just like everybody else. And they're going to know that he has a law enforcement background, that he's trained specifically with weapons and how to use weapons in emergency scenarios. And they're going to look at this and ask themselves, because they have to, what would a reasonable person do in this situation? Was he aware of a risk, and did he disregard that risk when he accidentally shot the victim in this case? And if the answer is yes to that question, he has to be charged.
All right, so